Hello, today I'm forging some tongs. I've been up for about, I'd say 40 minutes now. I already forged these so far. So I'm trying to make some bolt tongs, and I started with a piece of square steel, much like this. Measured off 18 centimeters or 180 millimeters. I started forging 2 halves, and currently they're both similar size. I'm gonna add the notches, and then I'll start with the bending process soon after that. Then I'll forge the shoulders in, and then start with the reins. Hello again. So I'm almost finished with the bolt tongs. They're currently